Hello, let's see how to unlock your um, bootloader in any Samsung phones. So to do this, first you have to go to settings, and already like the developer option should be enabled. If it's not already enabled, you just have to go to the device information and go to the software information and press the build update 6 times. So once it is enabled, and I had already created another video for this, so you can refer to my YouTube videos if you don't know how to enable the developer options. So once you enable the developer options, the next thing you have to do is you have to go to your privacy and security settings and turn off the auto blocker. This is to enable the bootloader unlock. But if you enable this, it will be by default blocked. And the second thing, you have to remove any Google accounts which is connected with your phone and take your backup, because once you do this step, the complete data will be wiped in your phone. So make sure to do a backup before you do this step. So now I had enabled this, and you can see the option here. I'm just enabling OEM unlock, so that is enabled, and also the USB debugging mode is also enabled here. So my device is currently connected with the phone. So it's connected with my laptop. So let's do it. Proceed. So now we have to enable this in the hardware level. So this is just software level, but we also have to enable this in the hardware level for this to work. For that, I am restarting the device now. While you're restarting, just press and hold the volume up and volume down key simultaneously until you see the bootloader unlock page. Yeah, so now I can see the bootloader unlock page here. To unlock the bootloader, what I have to do is I have to do a volume up button and to do a long press. So press the volume up button and keep on hold. So so now the option is there. So now I have to press the power button to accept it. The thing if you unlock the bootloader, then your device warranty can void. So now you can see the device started arising, and so once it is erased, your device bootloader will be completely unlocked and you can flash custom ROMs to your phone. You can open a lot of features, because in the Android development community, you can find a lot of custom ROMs for your phone. So identify the one for your phone and you can flash it. I will create another video to show you how to flash custom ROMs. So let's see what's happening now. So the reset process will take 5 minutes, so it should be okay if it is slow. So now you can see the device is completely resetted, and the bootloader should be unlocked now. Thank you. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can create more useful videos like this. Thank you all.